Keep your Porsche dream alive without breaking the bank. Here's all the maintenance for a low-priced Porsche in 2025. Listen, I get it. You've been scrolling through those listings, seeing 996 turbos averaging around $88,575 for Turbo S models, 981 Cayman GTS examples at $64,830 average, and 997.2 Carrera S models averaging $61,170. Your heart says buy it, but that little voice whispers, what about maintenance costs? Here's the truth nobody talks about. Maintenance fears are scaring away potential buyers from these absolute legends. Meanwhile, these cars represent some of the best value in the Porsche market right now. According to current RepairPal data, Porsches average $1,192 annually in repairs, with the 911 specifically at $1,072. That's less than many luxury SUVs. These machines deliver 88 to 92% MOT pass rates when properly maintained. The 996 Turbo's Mezger engine is bulletproof. The 981 GTS has virtually eliminated bore scoring, and the 997.2's DFI engine solved the IMS bearing forever. Get ready because that Flat 6 Symphony, it's calling your name. Now that we've got your attention, let's talk about the maintenance that actually keeps these cars affordable to own. This is where smart owners separate themselves from the horror stories. The essential schedule that actually works starts with oil changes every 5,000 to 6,000 miles. Here's where it gets interesting. Dealerships charge $300 to $400, but independent specialists charge $200 to $250. Want to save even more? DIY costs under $100 in parts. That's $200 savings every single oil change. The 996 Turbo needs 8.5 liters of synthetic oil, while the GTS and 997.2 use about 7.5 liters. Yes, it's more than your Honda, but we're talking about precision German engineering here. Every 10,000 miles brings multi-point inspections at $200, tire rotations at $50, and cabin filter replacements at $100. One Renlist member shared spending $1,000 for a 40K service at an independent shop after being quoted $2,100 by a dealer. That's over 50% savings for identical work. Every 20,000 miles, you'll need brake fluid flushes at $150 and air filter changes at $100. For 996 Turbo owners, this is crucial inspection time for turbo oil lines. $200 now prevents catastrophic turbo failure later. What makes each model special? The 996 Turbo runs that legendary Mezger engine. No IMS bearing to worry about, but those coolant pipes need attention. Preventative replacement costs $1,500 but saves you from $10,000 plus engine out repairs. Trust me, every 996 Turbo expert will tell you this. The 981 Cayman GTS averages $1,135 annually according to RepairPal, with virtually zero bore scoring risk thanks to Alucil cylinder technology. Recent auction results show GTS models selling for $42,250 for high-mileage examples up to $83,500 for pristine 6-speed cars. It's genuinely one of the most reliable sports cars ever built. The 997.2 Carrera S, those DFI engines eliminated IMS issues entirely. Early 997.1 models had problems, but the 997.2 is rock solid. Real numbers from real owners tell the story. A UK forum member tracked 1,800 annually over 40,000 miles and 8 years of 996 Turbo ownership. The 996 Turbo market shows current average prices of $88,575 for Turbo S models, with regular turbos selling from $47,500 to over $100,000 depending on condition and mileage. 997.2 Carrera S models are averaging $61,170, with recent sales from $28,050 to $108,000. Another owner reported staying cash positive by putting $250 monthly into a maintenance fund. Here's the bottom line. Annual routine maintenance runs $1,500 to $2,500 at independent shops, $2,500 to $3,500 at dealers. Go DIY on the basics, you're looking at $500 to $800 yearly just for oil and filters. The secret? Independent Porsche specialists save you 20 to 30% over dealers, with often better service. They know these cars inside and out. So routine maintenance is absolutely manageable at $1,500 to $2,500 annually when you make smart choices. But what about the bigger stuff? That's where planning becomes everything. Here's where ownership gets real, but also where smart planning pays massive dividends. Major maintenance isn't about surprises. It's about scheduled intervals you can budget for. The major service timeline starts every 30,000 miles or 3 years with spark plug replacement. Now, this varies wildly, $200 to $400 in parts, but the 996 Turbo is labor-intensive due to access. Serpentine belts run $120 to $200, and transmission services are crucial. Manual fluid changes cost around $300, while PDK services hit $500 but last much longer. Every 40,000 miles is brake and tire time. Complete brake jobs run $1,500 to $2,500, with the 996 Turbo's massive Brembo system costing more. Quality tires for 19-inch wheels, $1,200 to $1,500, but they're worth every penny for safety and performance. Here's the big one. Every 60,000 miles, manual transmissions need clutch replacement. Budget $2,500 to $3,500 including labor. Water pumps also come due around this mileage at $900 to $1,200. Model-specific reality check time. 996 Turbo owners face eventual turbo seal replacement, $5,000 to $7,000 for both turbos. Sounds scary, but these typically last 100K plus miles without proper maintenance. Rear main seal leaks cost $1,500 but are common and manageable. Cayman GTS owners might see dynamic engine mounts fail around $1,000, and while differential issues exist, they're rare at about $5,000. Most GTS owners never see these problems. 997.2 Carrera S, coil packs every 80k miles at $1,200 and occasional PASM shock failures at $2,000. Compared to the 997.1's IMS bearing roulette, these are minor inconveniences. Real-world major service costs tell the complete story. One Piston Heads member documented $11,750 over 4 years, including a $5,000 gearbox rebuild. That's extreme, but it shows the importance of buying right. Another forum member spent $9,000 in the first few years catching up on deferred maintenance. Again, buy the right car. But here's the flip side. A well-maintained example needs $1,500 to $3,000 every 30k miles for major services. Combined with routine maintenance, you're looking at $2,500 to $5,000 annually total. The game changer? Pre-purchase inspections. Spend $800 to $1,500 up front to avoid 10k surprises later. Buy a car with service records, and you're golden. One owner put it perfectly. I budget $250 monthly and stay cash positive. That's the mindset that makes Porsche ownership affordable. Major maintenance runs $1,500 to $3,000 every few years when you plan ahead. But here's where it gets interesting. These cars are far more reliable than the internet would have you believe. Time to destroy some myths. These Porsches aren't fragile exotics. They're engineered for real-world use, and the numbers prove it. The reliability truth? 996 Turbo shows 88% MOT pass rate with that bulletproof Nesgar engine. This is the same basic engine architecture from Porsche's racing program. Cayman GTS delivers 92% MOT pass rate, higher than most mainstream cars. 997.2 Carrera S achieves 90% MOT pass rate thanks to mature DFI technology. Compare that to your average luxury car, and these Porsches are reliability champions when maintained properly. Smart cost-saving strategies that actually work start with DIY basics. Oil changes cost under $100 DIY versus $300 to $400 at dealers. Air filters, $50 in parts versus $150 plus installed. Basic tools like jack, stands, and wrenches cost $200 and pay for themselves in 2 services. One Reddit user reported saving $1,000 annually just on basic maintenance. Independent specialists are huge. Specialist shops charge roughly half dealership labor rates and often provide better, more personalized service. They know these cars' quirks and can spot problems early. A Renlist member found an ex-Porsche tech running his own shop. $1,000 for service versus $2,100 at the dealer. Preventative strategy is everything. That 996 turbo coolant pipe replacement, $1,500 now, prevents $10,000 plus engine out repair later. GTS water pumps at 60k miles avoid roadside breakdowns. 997.2 coil packs before they fail prevent potential engine damage. Smart parts sourcing saves big. Quality aftermarket saves 25 to 30% while maintaining reliability. Pelican Parts, FCP Euro, and others offer lifetime warranties on many components. OEM parts from Porsche Classic ensure authenticity for reasonable prices. The reserve fund strategy means keeping $5,000 to $7,000 in reserve for unexpected repairs. High-mileage cars over 80k miles carry more risk, but proper pre-purchase inspection mitigates most issues. Extended warranties cost $2,500 annually, but can cover major surprises. One owner's warranty covered a $7,000 differential replacement. It paid for itself. Real success stories prove the point. A 996 Turbo hit 700,000 miles with consistent $2,500 annual maintenance. Another owner reported 9 years of 997.2 ownership with minimal issues beyond scheduled maintenance. The pattern is clear. Buy right, maintain properly, use independent specialists, and DIY the basics. Your annual costs stay predictable at $2,500 to $5,000 total. These Porsches are genuinely reliable when you make smart choices. But here's what makes all this maintenance worthwhile: the driving experience that justifies every penny. This is why we do it. 420 horsepower, twin turbos whistling, all-wheel drive gripping the asphalt. 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. But it's not about the numbers. It's about how this car speaks to you through every corner. Listen to that flat 6 symphony. Feel how the steering loads up through this switchback. The 996 Turbo doesn't just transport you. It involves you in every mile. For $60,000 to $75,000, you're getting genuine supercar performance that embarrasses cars costing twice as much. Now this. This is automotive poetry. 340 horsepower, mid-engine balance, naturally aspirated flat 6, screaming to 7,500 RPM. The GTS generates 1.1 G of lateral grip. But numbers don't capture the precision. Third gear through this sweeping right-hander, engine note rising, chassis perfectly balanced. This is $80,000 to $95,000 of pure driving perfection. Cut to the 997.2 Carrera S, 385 horsepower, rear drive purity, that unmistakable 911 silhouette. The manual transmission clicks through gears with mechanical precision. This is what 911 Soul feels like. $70,000 to $85,000 for the definitive sports car experience. Manual transmissions in 52% demand according to Hagerty because they connect you to the machine. These aren't just cars, they're analog experiences in a digital world. Here's your maintenance summary. Routine maintenance runs $1,500 to $2,500 annually. Oil changes, filters, fluids, independent shops, and DIY can cut this by 30 to 50%. Major maintenance hits $1,500 to $3,000 every 30k miles. Plugs, clutches, brakes, water pumps, keep $7,000 in reserve for peace of mind. Reliability, 88 to 92% MOT pass rates prove these aren't fragile. Pre-purchase inspections at $1,500. Service records and preventative fixes like 996 coolant pipes at $1,500 ensure longevity. Why it's worth every penny? Values are rising. 996 turbos from $60,000 to $75,000. GTS models $80,000 to $95,000. 997.2 examples $70K to $85K. Expect 10 to 20% growth by 2027, according to market analysis. For $2,500 to $5,000 annually, you're driving appreciating Porsche legends. Don't let maintenance fears kill your dreams. This isn't just a car, it's a flat six legacy you maintain. Which maintenance scares you the most? Comment below. Share your maintenance tips in the comments. Thanks for keeping the dream alive. Keep that flat six singing.